We've always liked the look of these. Hello, once again, it's Vaughan Chrysler's pre-owned department, and today let's take a quick walk-around tour of this 2018 Nissan Murano SV all-wheel drive edition. Let's see what we've got. This car was just freshly detailed yesterday, so it's in beautiful condition inside and out. It was well taken care of. I don't see any real obvious nicks or damage to the exterior. Nice off-white color, minimal chrome. Riding on 18-inch multi-spoke alloy rims. Like I said, we do like the look of these units. Very unique. Dual exhausts. There you go, all-wheel drive. Power liftgate works as it should. If you were going to set this up for towing, I think you can tow up to 1,500 pounds. And the payload on these Muranos is 1,350 odd pounds. So put a fair bit of stuff in these. As you can see here in the rear area here, massive amount of room. Nice and wide. An actual tire for spare, space down there as well. And if you push down the second row, we'll call 30, 70 seats, even more space. You can do it with that. Like I said, in excellent condition. Power liftgate works as it should. And a nice sheen there as the sun starts to set. Again, some nice details on these units. Nice factory dark tint to the rear. This is an SV, so it doesn't have the leather, but these cloth seats have almost a sort of a suede-like feel to them. Your dual cup holders in the center, plenty of room for 3 people in the back, 2 in real luxury. Center console here, some vents, and 1 USB power port. Lots of leg room there. Again, very unique styling. Stand out. Driver's area, but before we get to it, power windows, power door locks, drink holder, and heated rearview mirror. Perforated inserts. Driver's seat is power. Passenger seat, well, we'll find out in a second. It does have a heated steering wheel. And the passenger seat is manually adjustable. There's our gear shift. Heated front seats. 2 levels of heat. Dual cup holders, start stop, a couple of power ports. You can charge your phone. And you can already see on the center touchscreen, a little small, probably about maybe an 8-inch. It has the built-in navigation. There's your audio. And you can pair your Bluetooth phone information. We'll go back to the home setting. It's a little older, but it has all the features that you need. Buttons and knobs for heating and air conditioning there. And then our gauge cluster, nice and clean. And this unit has 156,005 kilometers on it. And of course, your standard steering wheel controls, hands-free, and you set for your cruise. This has struts. Behold, the 3.5-liter V6 from Nissan. I believe this unit, as is, generates 260 horsepower and 240 pound-foot of torque, mated to a continuously variable transmission, as well as the all-wheel drive system. The engine looks really nice, and it sounds nice and smooth as it should. It's been well maintained. So if you like unique standout styling and a fair bit of luxury, fair bit of space, it's just a cool looking car, this 2018 Murano SV all-wheel drive is something you should be looking at. It's available today at Vaughan Chrysler. Thanks for watching this.